If there's one thing everybody should know how to cook, I believe it's baked chicken. Here's a quick and easy way to bake it yourself. It's not hard, it tastes good. What we have here is chicken legs today, so I have a couple pounds of chicken legs that I've washed, cleaned up, and got into a baking dish here. First thing we're going to do, we're going to add some olive oil to the chicken. It's going to help the chicken not stick when we're baking it, and also help with our seasonings adhering to the chicken. We're going super simple today, so all we're going to be using is salt, pepper, and complete seasoning, but you can season with your favorite seasoning. Again, we're keeping it nice and simple here, watching our sodium, watching our weight, and so we're just keeping it really easy. I love complete seasoning because it's almost impossible to over season when you use that stuff. I highly recommend it. And also, what I'm actually using is not complete. It's like a complete alternative. It's a little cheaper version, but it tastes the exact same and saves you about $1 or so. All right, so once you get your chicken and everything seasoned up really well, you're gonna give everything a good mix. Make sure that all your chicken is coated nicely. Then we're gonna go ahead and arrange our chicken in our dish to where it's nice and even. It doesn't matter if it's touched or anything like that. This is just a basic baked chicken. I'm not looking to get super crispy skin or anything like that. Just some good, tender, delicious baked chicken. So again, you just wanna arrange them in your baking dish nice and evenly, and then once you're done with that, we're going to go in with some green pepper and onion to add some extra flavor to our chicken. This is optional. I like doing it. You don't have to. And I'd have about a half a cup of each. Half a cup of green pepper, half a cup of yellow onion. Once you get your vegetables in the dish, we're going to go ahead and cover it up. We're going into a 375-degree oven. We're going to cook it for 30 minutes covered. Then we're going to come back, uncover it, and cook it for about another 30 minutes. All right, guys, so we've gone the first 30 minutes. You can see now that the chicken is starting to cook. You can see that steam coming off of it. Those vegetables are starting to get tender. Now we're just going to go right back into that 375-degree oven and continue to let it go until it becomes fork tender. All right, family, it's been another 30 minutes, and here's our finished chicken. You can see how those vegetables are cooked down. That chicken is nice and tender. It's got some nice color on it. Nice and fork tender. And it's going to taste so good. So again, this is a super easy recipe, quite naturally. Super easy. You can do on a work night. You can actually prepare it prior to cooking it, and then come home and throw it in the oven and finish the process, and you guys will be eating dinner in no time. So again, I hope you enjoyed. Some quick, some simple, some everybody should know how to do. Till the next time, God bless. We'll catch you on the next one.